So you just bought a recliner chair thinking, ah yes, luxury, but now you're staring at a box like it's an engineering exam you didn't study for. Don't worry, I got you. I went through the full setup of this Korser recliner myself and I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. No confusion, no stress, and no extra screws left behind moments. First things first, open the box carefully. Inside you'll usually find the seat base, backrest, arm sections, power cables, and a remote control. Quick tip, don't throw the box yet. If something's missing, you'll want it. Next, set up the base. Place it flat on the floor where you actually plan to use the chair. Trust me, moving it later is not fun. Check underneath, you'll see the metal rails or slots where the backrest will slide in. Next, attach the backrest. Now grab the backrest, align the metal brackets with the rails on the base, then gently slide it down until you hear a click. That click, that's your sign you didn't mess it up. Give it a slight pull upward. If it stays locked, you're good. Next, the wires. You'll see color-coded or labeled cables. These connect the massage and heating system. Just match them and plug them in. No tools, no guessing game. Next, plug the power. Plug the chair to a power outlet. Connect the remote control cable if it's separate and make sure everything is snug. Next, set up the remote. Before you sit like a king, test everything. Recline it, try the swivel turn on the massage, check the heat. If it works, congratulations, you've officially upgraded your life. From my experience, the setup is actually beginner friendly, no tools, no complicated steps, just clean, simple assembly. The real win, you go from confused unboxing to relaxing with a massage in under 10 minutes. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend help support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.